$10,000. But you have to be a part of LGBTQ. Live in this house, but you have to live with the first person that appears when you click share, then more. Do it with Madison Beer, but you have to toddler every time. Stop world hunger, but it cost you $500. Get the iPhone 15 for free, but you have Android emojis. Cure cancer for everyone in the world, but your mother gets it instead. Win $1 million, but you have 10% chance of dying tomorrow. Have unlimited money, but your whole family passes away. Be granted 3 wishes, but you age by 10 years.